Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. It's such a rare and beautiful opportunity that we have to mark Puja Gurudev's 100th year, 100th birthday, starting on 2015. Though the celebration finally happens, the 100th year happens in 2016, but we have this beautiful sacred opportunity to celebrate it for 1 year and to mark such a stalwart's centennial celebrations. And in such effort, we have envisioned various programs. In the series of what these various programs are, I've already spoken about 4 of them. This would be the 5th one. This 5th one, before I speak on it, in Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi's Upadesha Sara, he says, Pujanam japaha chintanam kramat. The way to get closer to that divine within. We start from the grossest methods to the subtlest methods. Puja, japa and chintana. Way back when Gurudev was still walking on this earth, Puja Guruji and Swami Shantanandji put in this amazing sequence of names that we can recognize Puja Gurudev with. And it was presented to Puja Gurudev, and Gurudev was really pleased with it. And since then, these sequence of names were used for worshipping Puja Gurudev and performing his Pada Pujas then and now his Paduka Puja. These 108 names are called the Ashtottara Shatanamavali. 108 names. These 108 names, while we perform puja, we repeat these 108 names. So the puja and japa is happening. But along with that, we thought we have about 50 centers in North America. If we distribute to each center two names in an order that we have already prescribed, we have already have a chart and we have indicated that in our Chinmay Jyoti Yatra manual, which will be supplied to every center. And this manual has a clear detail as to which center has these what names. Each center gets approximately about 2 centers, and the center is really big, probably 4 names. That thereby we cover about 108 names. The idea is that we look into Gurudev's lives, that each one of these names means something so direct, indicating about who Gurudev was and what he stood for. So these 108 names, the 2 names that you get for your center, we could explain this to the congregation as to what these 2 names mean. Again, we could invite Balvihar children from kindergarten or pre-K to all the way to 12th grade, and the Yuva Kendra members, even the mission members, to think about these names and find that inspiration within to open the talent to understand Gurudev and express our understanding through painting, sketches, artwork, poem and poetry, lyrics for music, maybe an article on these names, a perspective as to how this name you understand and how it touches you and inspires you. Maybe you could write songs, maybe you could write a skit. The options are plenty. So the idea is the entire community of Chinmay Mission gets to understand Gurudev's names and thereby understanding him personally, and we perform this Guru Upasana, Yad Bhavam Tad Bhavati, as you think so you become. And as we meditate on Gurudev and contemplate on his achievements, his contribution and his love for this humanity, we become not just closer to Gurudev, but we start emulating these bhava to everyone through us to the world around us. So these two names, the collection of all the poems, all the songs, all the articles, we could probably ask the older Chinmay Mission members who may have had a direct interaction with Gurudev, gather photographs, create a art exhibition which can probably conclude in the last 1 week of the Chinmay Jyoti Yatra. So they have all the way from now to the time when the Jyoti Yatra comes to your center to prepare for this beautiful presentation, a bouquet of these various talents in representing those two names of Gurudev. And the best of this art and talent presented, probably you could have a panel of board members and chicks and mission members who could select the best poems, best songs, best sketches, best articles, gather them, and when we all come to Dallas for the 2016 Mahasamadhi camp, we could have all 108 names displayed under one roof. And we going through these 108 names and various forms of representation, my eyes are already glittering, like the kind of inspiration that it would leave every participant in understanding Gurudev and his life better. So there are various stages to this. You first explain this to your congregation. They find their own inner talent and express their talent, organize a small art exhibition or a talent exhibition of all these different works put together. And then the best of it comes to Dallas, wherein all 108 names gets displayed. So in these various stages, it would be good if every center takes it very sincerely and contemplate and meditate upon Gurudev, those two names that we get, and then make it a bouquet of all 108 names. It would be beautiful to see all 108 names represented with various mindsets as to how they understand Gurudev and how Gurudev has inspired them under one roof. That would be awesome and inspiring to look at. So I hope every center takes this very sincerely and brings out the best of its talent. I'm eagerly waiting to see the grand spectrum on the final culmination, which will be in the Mahasamadhi camp in Dallas. So all the best, and let's hope to see the best come out in this talent expressed. Hari Om.